Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, I make programming tutorial videos. In today's video, I'm going to discuss a program by which you can determine if a number is even or odd in Python by getting user input. So before writing down the program, let's save our file. It makes the program look more understandable by all those color codes. I'm naming my file even.py. Make sure to use the .py extension when you are saving your Python file, otherwise your file won't work. So first of all, I'm going to declare a variable called num, and then I'm using the input function. So inside the quotation you can write down anything you want to make show up before your user. So I'm writing down enter the number colon space. So Python is going to treat it as a string, so you have to make it integer friendly. So to make that, we are going to do this int bracket, and we are putting all this thing inside this int and bracket, So now I'm going to use the conditional statement if and then an equation. My variable %2 equal 0. If this equation is satisfied, then print even number. If this equation is not satisfied, then print odd number. So the main thing is this equation which determines if the number is even or odd. So what does this equation mean? This equation means that if we divide the value of our variable num by 2 and the remainder comes as 0, then the number is even. And if the remainder doesn't come as 0, then our number is odd number. So let's make it more clear. Suppose the value of our num variable is 20. We'll divide this 20 by 2. I'm sorry for the bad drawing. So dividing 20 by 2 means 10 is to 2 is equal to 20. So here is the 20, and then a remainder here is 0. So this is the remainder, which is here is 0, and we divided 20 by 2. So as you can see, 20 is an even number here because it is divided by 2 and the remainder comes as 0. So this is what happens here, and now we are going to run our program in the command shell. Before running our program, let's save this one once more time because we saved it before starting our program. The command I'm going to use here are for Windows users: cd desktop / the folder name where I saved my all Python files, and now I'm going to write down my file name, which is even.py. So here it is, enter the number. So I'm entering 20. See what happens. So it is an even number. So this is how you determine if a number is even or odd. This equation is everything here. Everything means this equation is the most important part here, because it determines if the number is even or odd. So thank you so much for watching my video. If you like my video, please do subscribe. It encourages me to make more videos like this. Till we code again.